Okay, let's see what we got.
Thank you.
Hey there, how you doing? Yo, I like this store. It's got a little bit of everything up here, as you can see. Well, hold up. I do need my favorite gel for my hair. Here it is. This stuff right here, y'all, this is the joint. It works. Ooh, they went up on the price. Used to be $1.29. They got $1.49 on here now. Well, they got flowers, but it doesn't look like they got blue. Oh, well. Oh, brother. Oh, well, guys, as you see, no blue flowers. So, I'm going to have to try at another spot. All right. And when we get there, I'll be back.